Many times I've been asked the question, exactly how does the acoustic pickup work? And the answer is that it works based upon the fact that inside this red box you will find that there is a microphone and an amplifier, and it is actually a listening device. And how does it listen? It listens because you magnetically, with this big magnet, attach that to some metal portion of your gun, and then when you cock your gun, pull the trigger, and the firing pin hits the snap cap, this is capable right here through this magnet to hear that sound and cause this to fire a pulse. Now, the thing that most people make a mistake on because they don't read the instructions carefully enough is to realize that they need to actually turn this on, and it doesn't have an on-off switch, but it does have a rectangular hole here. And in that rectangular hole, we are basically going to plug the little black jumper that comes along. And when you do that, just as I've done it, now the power supply or the batteries in here are connected to the electronics, and it is operational. Now bear in mind that the second thing that happens is if you leave this plugged in for over 48 continuous hours, the batteries will go dead. So that's why we send an extra jumper and an extra set of batteries, because we figure the first or second time you use it, you're going to forget to pull this out, and when you go to try and use it, your batteries are going to be dead. So if the batteries are dead, what do you have to do? Well, you simply come over to this side, and we're going to slide the cover off, and now you're going to go ahead and pull these three batteries out of here. Notice that the big flat side of the battery goes up against the big spring, and there's three of these in series, producing about 4.5 volts when the batteries are fresh. And the unit will work until the battery power overall gets down to about 3 volts. Then it's not working very well after that. Okay, so I'm going to slide this cover back on here again and show you one other thing, and that is with the jumper in place, which is the on-off switch. Notice that if I take some light metal object and simply tap or let it touch against this magnet, notice that every time I do that, the light blinks. And every time the light blinks out of this connection up here, there is a 40 millisecond pulse that causes the laser to fire. So it's that simple. Find a location on your gun where you want to place this, plug the jumper into place, connect the cable coming from the laser into here, and then every time that there's enough noise going on inside of your gun that the microphone amplifier inside of here hears this, it's going to fire the laser. And that's it. I hope I've helped you.